What's going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video. Hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video, we got some exclusive footage of the brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max unboxing. So a YouTuber known as Salim Baba Technical actually uploaded this video onto his channel. So I'm gonna link his actual video down below in the description. You guys can go check it out. And he does unbox the iPhone 13 Pro Max in gold right here. So you guys can see that right off the bat, the box is a complete different color compared to last year. It's a black box with the iPhone showing on the front of it. And then they also did remove the plastic wrapping. So you can see on the back right here, there's little two tabs where you basically just pull those on the top and bottom. And after that, you're going to be able to just open up the box and obviously have the phone right inside. So a little bit different than past years. So once you do open it, you still get the iPhone, obviously, the lightning connector. You got the SIM card, all that stuff, Apple stickers. Obviously, we don't get the Apple brick anymore. I don't know why they removed it, but we have to purchase our own separate one now. We only get the lightning cable. In my opinion, I'm not a big fan of the gold color on this iPhone 13 Pro Max, but let me know what you guys think down below in the comments section. If you guys did enjoy this video, drop a like on it, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys don't miss a video. And that's basically it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.